channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another how to grow hair fast video, and this is the part of a series where I test out different hair growth techniques and let you guys know my thoughts on them. And oh my gosh, I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time, so I'm super excited. I'm going to be talking about liquid BIOTIN today, so if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so when I heard about liquid BIOTIN, I was really intrigued, so I wanted to test it out, and I've been using this for quite some time now. I think I started in October, so it's been about 5 months using liquid BIOTIN, and I'm going to be honest with you, I haven't been using it every single day. I haven't been super consistent with my use of it, but I have been using it at least 3 times a week since October, so I think that's a good enough time to be able to give you guys a review on how I think it improved the health of my hair.
So what's different about liquid BIOTIN is that it absorbs a lot faster than your BIOTIN pills, tablets, powders. And it works a lot faster in the liquid form because when you consume it, your body doesn't have to break anything down like it would in a pill form, therefore causing the liquid to go faster through your bloodstream.
So the liquid BIOTIN that I have been using is by SBR Nutrition, and this is their BIOTIN Vitamin B7 Superior Absorption, promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. When I first heard of liquid BIOTIN, I thought that it was something that you can apply directly to your scalp, and it can help hair growth that way, but that was not the case. This is something that you have to consume. So this one has 5,000 mcgs, and that is per serving.
So you're supposed to take a half a dropper daily. I personally just take it directly, place it in my mouth and swallow. It has kind of a sweet vanilla taste to it, so it doesn't really taste that bad to me. But this can definitely be taken in a cup of water or juice, or you can even make a smoothie if you like.
So this particular brand stood out the most because it doesn't contain a lot of the ingredients that I no longer consume in my diet. So it doesn't contain sugar, starch, salt, wheat, gluten, yeast, milk, or soy. And I'm very sensitive to gluten, yeast, soy, milk. I'm very sensitive to a lot of food because you guys know I have IBS, or if you don't know, if you're new here, I have IBS, and I just cannot eat certain foods or my stomach will go crazy. I will be in a lot of pain. That's definitely something that I looked into before using this supplement. I do also use vitamin C supplements, and of course, you know, my multivitamin, but other than that, these are the only, you know, supplements and vitamins that I have been taking for the past 5 months, so I can really give you guys a real review on this product. So one of the main things I noticed when taking this BIOTIN supplement, I've actually taken BIOTIN in the past, but never in the liquid form. I always would take the capsules or the tablets, and my hair would grow like crazy. And I don't mean like my hair on my head, I mean like the hair on my body would grow like crazy, okay? If you guys didn't get a chance to watch my previous video, it was actually a hair removal video, and in that video I showed you guys my hairy legs because I hadn't shaved in months, and I think that due to me taking BIOTIN is the reason why my legs were so hairy. I usually don't grow that much hair on my legs, but this time around it was a lot. So you do want to keep that in mind when you are taking a liquid of BIOTIN or any type of BIOTIN in general. So the one thing I have noticed the most about my hair since taking the BIOTIN is that I have experienced a lot less shedding. Usually when I'm in the shower, I have a lot of shedding, and shedding is normal. You're supposed to shed up to 100 strands of hair a day, so that's a lot of hair you're supposed to shed. Normally in the shower when I'm detangling my hair, I will detangle my hair and I will have a brush full of hair by the time I'm done detangling my hair. But recently I haven't been having that much shedding, and it's probably like cut my shedding in half, so I think that's good. I don't know if that's normal, but it's definitely something that I have noticed. Another thing that I have noticed is that my nails grow super fast, and my nails always have grown pretty fast, but these days it's like I have to clip my nails every single day, because I really don't like long nails like that. So I literally clip my nails every single day. It's so weird. As far as length, I really need to do a length check soon. I should probably film one while my hair is still straight, but like my hair is to my hip bones at the moment, so this side is longer than this side. I might, you know, trim it to make it even or whatever. But yeah, that's about it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you have tried liquid biotin and what is your experience with it. If you liked it, if you didn't, let me know down below in the comment section. If you're not already following me on social media, you can follow me at Maryam J. Hampton. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell. The notifications will come straight to your phone. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!